Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen, and if you're new here, I'm Morgana from Cooking Clean and Everything Between, and in today's recipe, we are going to make a simple carrot cake. Olá meus amores, obrigada por estar aqui novamente. A receita de hoje é bolo de cenoura. Now it's time for you to hit that subscribe button so you can help my channel grow. Ingredientes: sugar, açúcar, flour, farinha de trigo, carrots, cenouras, oil, óleo, baking powder, fermento em pó, eggs, ovos. Add to a blender the oil, the carrots, the sugar, and the eggs, and blend for about 5 minutes. Acrescente ao liquidificador o óleo, as cenouras, o açúcar e os ovos e bata por 5 minutos. Don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment down below, and share with anyone you know. E não esqueça, vai lá, dá um joinha, compartilha esse vídeo e me deixa um comentário. After blending for 5 minutes, transfer the liquid into a bowl, add the flour and the baking powder. Depois dos 5 minutos batendo no liquidificador, transfira sua mistura para uma bacia e acrescente o trigo e o fermento. I would love to know how far this video is going. Where are you watching me from? The US, Brazil, any other part of the whole world? Let me know in the comments down below. And mix, mix, mix. E misture, misture, misture. Cooking clean and everything between. I prepped my baking pan with oil and flour so my cake would not stick to it, as you can see here. Now we're transferring the mixture into the pan. Gente, eu preparei a minha forma com óleo e com farinha de trigo para que o bolo não grude na forma. E transfira a mistura para a forma. Cooking clean and everything between. Bake the carrot cake for about 40 minutes at 360 Fahrenheit. Asse o bolo de cenoura por mais ou menos 40 minutos a 180 graus Celsius. E a vocês, meus queridos e amados do Brasil, me deixe saber nos comentários da onde você está assistindo, de qual estado. And here it is, simple carrot cake. As always, I'm so grateful to have you in my kitchen. I hope you enjoy this recipe. And if you make this recipe, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. I see you on the next one. E aqui está, meus amores, um delicioso bolo de cenoura. Espero que tenham gostado e eu te vejo na próxima receita. Tchau!